Hey, good afternoon. Here's an update on the weather. We continue to watch some thunderstorms west of I-95. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for areas north and northwest of Richmond. This does include Hanover County, Goochland County, over towards Louisa and Fluvanna, and points northward, also over into the northern neck. This goes until 8 o'clock for tonight. There's also a flood watch in effect until 2 a.m. It's the I-64 corridor and all points northward. It does include areas west of Richmond like Goochland and Powhatan and Cumberland counties. It does not include the Tri-Cities and points southward, but essentially as these storms increase for the rest of the day through the evening, there will be some lines or some bands of thunderstorms, and any storm that does develop could have some damaging wind gusts and also put down a lot of rain in a short amount of time, so flooding will be possible. The threat of storms will go away after about 10, 11 o'clock tonight, and then tomorrow is going to be significantly cooler. There may be a couple showers left over in a few spots, a lot of cloud cover, and there may be some locations tomorrow that don't get out of the upper 70s to around 80 degrees, even cooler to the north and west. Still kind of muggy for the rest of today through this evening, and then tomorrow humidity levels begin to drop. It's still going to be kind of humid, but not quite as muggy, and then it's going to turn a lot less humid for the upcoming weekend. High temperatures will be in the low 80s. Make sure you stay weather aware through the evening. We'll have full coverage tonight coming up at 4 p.m.